Hey there, folks! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of portable keyboards with the JPHTEK Mini Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Let's see if this sleek device lives up to its promises. So, what makes this keyboard stand out? Well, for starters, it's incredibly portable. Weighing in at just 5.9 ounces, this keyboard can literally fit in your pocket or backpack without adding any noticeable weight. And check this out, it folds up neatly into a compact size, making it perfect for travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who's constantly on the move. Now, let's talk about the features. The JPHTEK Mini Foldable Bluetooth keyboard boasts a standard-sized design, providing accurate and fast typing, just like your traditional desktop keyboard. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Whether you're an iOS, Android, or Windows user, this keyboard has got you covered. And what about battery life? Well, you'll be impressed. With a built-in lithium battery, this keyboard can last up to 40 hours of continuous operation or an incredible 180 days on standby. Say goodbye to constant charging. Setting up this keyboard is a breeze. Simply press the connect button, and you'll be paired with your device in no time. Plus, it maintains a stable connection within a 10-meter range, ensuring fast response and seamless typing. Now, let's talk aesthetics. The JPHTEK Mini Foldable Bluetooth keyboard features an elegant and wear-resistant PU leather design, giving it a clean and professional appearance. It's the perfect complement to your laptop or desktop setup. So, is the JPHTEK Mini Foldable Bluetooth keyboard worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a business professional, or just someone who values portability and convenience, this keyboard ticks all the boxes. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the JPHTEK Mini Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy typing!